We're here today at 8 Atwood Circle in Edgartown Village. It's this wonderful, small little cul-de-sac of a street, half a block away from the harbor, and tucked away from the traffic of Main Street, but yet only a few blocks away. Since at least the 1940s, this was essentially one of the very few houses in this area, and it was surrounded by rolling farmland. So there's a really good historical reference point of how this neighborhood grew over time, but this being the pivotal piece of establishing the image and character of the Atwood Circle to be. It's a project that we worked on, and it has passed muster with the Historic District Commission, the Conservation Commission, Zoning Board of Appeals, and the plans are ready to be executed. This house and this property is like going down an alley of trees and landscaping, and the property unfolds. So this becomes the picture-perfect postcard imagery of this house, with its now much more sympathetic additions on the right side and redetailed additions on the left. And as the road runs around Atwood Circle and embraces this property, the house and the property unfolds in a really nice way. But we've also got in the current plan an art studio and a tandem garage. Conversely, if the new buyer wanted to preserve the little garage and remove the rear portion, I think that could be possible, and open up the rear yard for more outdoor space. On the first floor of the house, one of the things that we did was really to reimagine the whole interior of the house. So now when you come in the front door, it's from side to side open space with a new fireplace and built-in cabinetry, also then connected to a covered porch and a little mudroom area, which also goes out to a courtyard and the garage. There's a grand open kitchen that goes to the casual dining area. There's a first floor guest suite, laundry room, and secondary mudroom as you come around Atwood Circle that you could also access. On the second floor, we've been able to expand the house, as you can see in the yellow, to create a more significant master bedroom with a private deck. On the third floor, we create a private third floor bedroom suite with its own private bath and walk-in closet. One of the things that makes this property very special is the fact that it really feels like you're coming down off of Dunham Road on this grand alley of this quiet neighborhood road, and that the house unfolds as you come down the road. So here's this opportunity to celebrate history, reimagine it for the way people want to live today, and really become your family's homestead.